Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to open your Audi Q7 door with the key. First, locate the small release button or switch on your key fob. Press this button firmly to release the hidden emergency key blade. Once released, carefully pull the key blade completely out from its housing. This blade is essential for manual entry when your fob battery is low or not working. Now that you have the emergency key blade, look closely at the driver's side door handle. You'll notice a small, often discreet, cap on one end. This cap is designed to conceal the mechanical keyhole. Carefully insert the tip of your emergency key blade into the small slot on the cap and gently pry it off. It should come off with minimal effort, revealing the keyhole. With the keyhole now visible, insert the emergency key blade fully into the slot. Turn the key blade clockwise, just as you would with a traditional car key, to engage the locking mechanism. You should feel a slight click or resistance as the door unlocks. Once unlocked, simply pull the door handle to open your Audi Q7 door and gain entry. It's a straightforward process. After successfully opening your door, remember to replace the keyhole cap. Align it carefully and press firmly until it snaps back into place, securing the keyhole. Then, slide the emergency key blade back into your key fob until you hear a click, ensuring it's stored safely. Don't forget to check the description for a link to some amazing darn tough socks and other great deals. This manual method is a lifesaver for battery issues.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.